Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the continue and the break statements. So let's start the tutorial. So let me go to my code. Break statement jumps out of a loop and continue statements jump over the one iteration. So let's open this brackets and check console.log I. Here we can put so that we can come to know this is for the break statement. Break statement here is for the continue statement. Statements, correct. So let's reload this. So here break statement 1, break statement 2, 3. Okay, so it says if I equals to 4, then it break, that means break, and jumps out of the loop. It jumps out of the loop and just print it, correct. So it prints jump after if that condition met, it jump out of the loop. Next we have I equals to 1 and I is less than 4. If I equal to 4, then continue, then it will going to print, means jumps over one iterations. So you see 1 2 3, if it comes, then it jumps over, then again it will come file, then it will continue the thing. So this is the difference. 4 is not printing over here because 4 is in that condition, and after this it jumps over one iteration. After this iteration, then again it come back to the loop and again printing the statements with 5 6 7 8 9 10, right. So this is the difference between the break statement and the continued statement. So whenever you want to add some specific condition met, so you want to perform some actions, you can do that part. And if you want to break with the particular conditions and perform some actions, then you can use the break statements. Okay, so this is the break and the continue statement. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.